This third video looks at the idea of special angles. There are certain trig ratios that you are expected to be able to just remember without necessarily reaching for your calculator. They come up time and time again. Essentially, they're the angles that occur either on the axes or that come from certain special triangles, an equilateral triangle, an isosceles triangle, and an isosceles triangle. We did this last year and we learned to summarize our values like this, and just again, this is just a recap. If we make our R value 2, remember we can make R any size we like, but 2 is a convenient number just to help us remember all those values. So your ordered pair at 30 degrees, if your R value is 2, your x will be root 3, your y value will be 1. At 45 degrees, your x and your y are both root 2, and at 60 degrees, your x is 1 and your y is root 3. The moment you're at 90, your x coordinate is 0, you've moved no units left or right, and so your y value is the same as your r value. At 180 degrees, your y coordinate is 0, you've moved 0 units up and down, but of course this length is 2, you're on the negative x-axis, so your x value is minus 2. The 270, your x coordinate is 0, your length here is 2, you're on the negative y-axis, so that is your ordered pair. It's very easy to remember if you just go 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, root 4, root 3, root 2, root 1, root 0, root 4, root 3, root 2, root 1, 0. However you choose to remember these special angles, you are expected to know them. So now how do we use this? Well, if we want sine of 30 degrees, we know that sine is y over r. It's our y value over our r value. Cos of 30 degrees is going to be my x value, root 3, over my r value, which is 2. Tan of 30 degrees is my y value, which is 1, over my x value, which is root 3. Sine of 60, go to 60 degrees. At 60, my y value is root 3. My r value is still 2. At 45 degrees, cos of 45 is my x value over my r value. Tan of 45 is my y value over my x value, which is 1. Cos of 90, well, if I go to 90 degrees, my x value is 0. My r value is 2, and obviously 0 divided by anything is 0. If I go to tan of 270, tan is my y value over my x value, and division by 0 isn't possible, and therefore that value is undefined. Sine of 360 degrees, all the way around here to 360. My y value is 0, my r value is 2, so my answer is 0. Cos of 180 degrees is my x value, which is minus 2, over my r value, which is 2. My answer is negative 1.